Amanda, teach us liquidity. Equal, that is why I'm here. First off, have you seen something like this before? Market is forming higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs. Before you know, markets come down and take you out and go up. One day you've been liquidated. Or price is selling. Markets go up, you sold, push back up, sold, push back up, sold, and then took you out, and then have you seen something like this? One day you have been liquidated. Now, what is liquidity? Some people say liquidity is money. Are they correct? Some say that liquidity is where the odogus take out the odiegos. They are correct. And some say that liquidity are where unfilled orders are. And what happens? Market goes and, fill back those orders. They are very, very correct. Let me show you. Now, you see that market was selling, right? And it pushed back up. It sold again. Guys, you know that this place, if you were selling this market now, you know that your stop loss gone on Elueba, right? Even there are some people too that want to also sell. Where is their sell limits? All gone on Elueba. So you see some people stop loss are here. Some people sell limits are here. So markets knew what? To take you now at and sold. So that is what liquidity is. Do you understand? All the simple. Now let me tell you the types of liquidity that we have. So the first type of liquidity we have is called transactional liquidity. This is a transaction between the buyers and the sellers. This is where buyers say they don't want to buy again, they want to start selling. And sellers say they don't want to sell again, they want to start buying. In Anoya, it's simple. Let me show you. Market is going on doing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. All of a sudden, the market give higher high and comes down here. Do you see? You see that it has changed structure. Do you see that? And when it does something like this place would be called, it will give you what? Liquidity sweep. This would be a liquidity sweep, and this will be market structure shift. When market forms liquidity sweep and market structure shift, that is the change. It's telling you that I don't want to buy again, I want to start selling. Vice versa. It's simple. There will be liquidity sweep and market structure shift. This will be called a market structure shift because it has changed the structure. It was forming higher highs and higher low, higher highs and higher low. Do you see that? So this will be called what? A market structure shift. Have you seen that? Let me show you on the chart. It's always good to come online charts. That always show it better. So guys, see this. See this. Do you see a liquidity sweep? Do you see? This is a liquidity sweep. Look at it. It pushed up and it fell. The market structure shift. Let me show you again. Do you see? It pushed up, fell, pushed up again, broke. Do you see? Broke. Give you do you see market structure shift and liquidity sweep? Guys, do you see that? Do you see that? Now let us see. Did it really work? Did it really sell? Do you see the dump? Do you see the dump? Let's try again. Let us see another one. Look at this one that I marked out. Guys, see. Do you see? Do you see? Look at, see the liquidity sweep and see the fall. For those of you who don't understand, hold on, let me show you. Push, fall, push up again, liquidity sweep, and fall. See market structure shift here. Do you see it? Do you see? And see the way it dump. See the way it dump. So, borrow laptop, okay? Kamaya, find it out.